So hello friends, again welcome you over Litmos YouTube platform. Today in this video we will discuss the current affairs of June 16, 17 and 18 as well. But first of all, a quick recap of what we had read in the previous session. So on the basis of that video, these are the questions for you. So what is TRIPS? This is a trade agreement. You can refer the previous video slide to know more about this. This is a trade agreement between countries who is a member of WTO, that is World Trade Organization. Then where is the 48th G7 venue? So currently 47th G7 venue means the ongoing G7 is held in Cornwallis, Britain, but the next year's venue is in Germany. Then the third question, which bank's venture has decided to invest in digital startups? So after 2 decades, ICICI is again gonna invest in digital startups. Earlier it has invested in startups like Naukri.com, etc. How many Indian universities were in the top 200 of the world? So there are many different rankings like NIRF, which is of Indian government. Then there is a Times Group ranking and the most important QS ranking. This covers the universities of the world. So there are 3 universities from India, that is IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi and IISc Bangalore. Alright. So what is ADD? The full form is anti-dumping duty. 6.3% was the return inflation of May. Recently, the capital of Serbia is Belgrade. So Novak Djokovic won his 19th title, and the recent Open was French Open. There are 4 Open, you know that. Then owner of BBPS, that is Bharat Bill Payment System. So owner of BBPS is NPCI, that is National Payment Corporation of India. Then the new PM of Israel is Naftali Bennett. You know, there is another news that the current president of Israel is also gonna change. So you can tell that who will be the new president of Israel. So president as well as PM of Israel is going to be replaced. Now the last question, that what is the theme of Blood Donor Day? So the theme of Blood Donor Day was give blood and keep the world breathing. Now after watching this video, means till last, you can answer these questions like Satya Nadella has been named the chairman of which corporation? What is blue economy? What is golden grand slam? In tennis, India signs a pact of $44 million with ADB, that is Asian Development Bank, for project in which state? What is the rank of India in World Competitiveness Index? Then which country launches first astronauts to space station? Which country is now India's top 5 export destinations? And lastly, what was the theme of World Day to combat desertification and drought? Okay, so let's start the today's video. Satya Nadella, who is the current Chief Executive Officer, that is CEO of Microsoft Corporation, has also been named as chairman after Bill Gates was the founder of Microsoft and John Thompson. Okay, so Nadella was appointed as CEO in 2014. He led Microsoft in many features like cloud computing, mobile applications, artificial intelligence and others. Under his leadership, Microsoft recovered from failures in mobile phone and internet search market. The internet search engine of Microsoft is Bing. Also, Microsoft scaled its businesses by acquisition. He acquired companies like LinkedIn, Nuance, which is an AI-based company, and Genimex, also GitHub and Red Hat. So moving to the next question. Deep Ocean Mission to tap into resources, study climate change. So in the union budget, government has told about Deep Ocean Mission, but on Wednesday, Cabinet approved a proposal to roll out a Deep Ocean Mission to search for resources and develop deep sea technologies. Okay, and who will be the nodal ministry? So Ministry of Earth Sciences. You have to tell that who is the Minister of Earth and Sciences. What will be the cost of this mission? So it will be 4,077 crore over a period of 5 years. And this mission will support the blue economy. So the question arises that what is blue economy? So basically blue economy is all about harnessing the ocean's resources in a sustainable manner and also creating jobs and opportunities, and overall means maintaining the overall ocean health ecosystem. Fine. So moving away to the next question, that is Novak Djokovic win at French Open. So up there you can see here like Serb kuch jita do bar, means Serb means he is from Serbia and he has won each Open at least 2 times. Okay, and winning the gold medal at the Summer Olympic Games in addition to the 4 majors in one calendar year is known as Golden Grand Slam. So this is a golden opportunity for Novak because the on current means 2021 Olympic is gonna held in Tokyo, Japan, and also he has won all the 4 majors, that is Australian Open, US Open, Wimbledon, and French Open. So he can be the winner of, he can be the Golden Grand Slam winner. He has 19 titles in his bag, while Roger Federer and Nadal has 20 titles each. So moving on, Jalgaon farmers exported GI certified banana to Dubai. So this banana is from Maharashtra. This is a Maharashtrian brand, and also banana fiber obtained from Jalgaon bananas has high spinning ability and tensile strength. So you can see that many GI certified products are now being exported to the foreign countries. Recently there was a brand, means a variety of Sahi Lychee from Bihar, that was also means exported to UK, and now this Jalgaon banana from Maharashtra has been exported to Dubai. So the next news, now there is a pact between Government of India and ADB, that is Asian Development Bank, for what? For an industrial corridor project in Tamil Nadu. Government of India has signed $484 million project to improve transport connectivity and facilitate industrial development in the CKIC, that is Chennai Kanyakumari. This portion you can see here, CKIC in Tamil Nadu. CKIC in Tamil Nadu. So what is CKIC, that is Chennai Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor? So it is a part of East Coast Economic Corridor, that is ECEC. Okay, and you can see here that in ECEC, which is stretched over from West Bengal, that is Kolkata, to Kanyakumari, and in this phase 2 is CKIC, that is Chennai Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor. So $484 million has been sanctioned for this very project. The CKIC is a part of ECEC, that is East Coast Economic Corridor, which stretches from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu and connects India to the production network of South, Southeast and East Asia. So ADB is the lead partner of the Government of India in the ECEC. Very important. Currently there was a BRICS National Universities host conference. So IIT Bombay hosted this event. Just remember that IIT Bombay was related with BRICS, that will be suffice. And here the chief guest Union Minister Sri Nitin Gadkari says biofuel low cost battery technology set to transform the transport sector in India. Okay, biofuel and low cost battery technology. The nation in BRICS are B for Brazil, R for Russia, I for obviously India, C for China, and S for South Africa. Okay, so this is the president of South Africa and this is the president of Bolsonaro from Brazil. So moving on, this news is all about ranking. So World Competitiveness Index released by IMD. What is IMD? So this is Institute of Management Development. So what IMD has told, that India maintained 43rd rank. Why? Because of the impact of COVID-19 on economies around the considering impact of COVID-19 and others. You have to just remember that India is at 43rd position, and who topped in this list? So Switzerland topped, while Sweden was at 2nd position and China at 16th position. That's it. So next news is about China. So China launches first astronauts to a space station. Currently there is only one space station in the space, that is ISS, International Space Station, but 3 Chinese astronauts on Thursday flew to an unfinished space station. This space station of China is unfinished in first crewed mission since 2016, expanding the country's already growing near Earth presence and challenging US leadership in orbital space. So China is directly fighting with US. If the ISS is decommissioned, because ISS was built a very long back, so China would be the operator of the only active space station. So this is a point of concern. Moving on, Indians fund in Swiss bank rise to over rupees 20,000 crore in 2020. So you just have to remember the figure that in Swiss bank in 2020 there was 20,000 crore rupees deposited. Okay, and where is this Swiss bank? This is in Switzerland, and the currency of Switzerland is Swiss franc. Alright, so moving to the next slide. Bangladesh is now among India's top 5 export destination. So considering the first 3 months of this year, so Bangladesh has surpassed Hong Kong to become India's biggest export destination in the first 3 months of the calendar year. So you can see here that the export was at 3.16 billion US dollar, and it secured 4th position after US, China, and UAE. And lastly, World Day to combat desertification and drought theme. So it was observed on 17th June 2021. Okay, so how we can combat desertification and drought, and the theme was restoration, land recovery, we build back better with healthy land. So that's it. So you have to answer all those questions which I asked in the starting of this video. So see you in another video. Hope you like this video, and kindly share, like and comment as well. So bye bye.